No. Who do we have here? Page one.
Uh, page one, nothing.
Okay, page two,
Keanu Zane, but they're in CDC.
felony court.
Yes.
Okay,
Walker is here. Page two.
Walker. Okay, he's on 2 and 3. Okay,
Page three, Anderson and Denton. Right here.
Anderson and Denton.
2 and 3.
Okay,
Page four,
okay.
2, 3, and 4 here.
Who's 2, 3?
Patel, Wallace,
Patel, Wallace, and Jose.
Jose's and Felny.
Okay,
Page five,
okay.
Guillory and Bernard are here.
Giller and Bernard.
Yes, sir. Page six,
Page 6,
Davila
Davila,
and Liskey.
Liskey. Okay,
Page seven, Perez and Moreno.
Perez, Moreno.
Perez and Moreno.
Okay,
Page eight,
8,
Crocker and Getwood.
Crocker
And
and
Getwood.
Getwood.
Yes.
Getwood.
And then page nine, Wallace, he's on there twice with 2 different charges.
Wallace.
Wallace is here, but he was also on page.
Oh, he's the previous page.
Yes.
Okay, he doesn't have an attorney on the last case. He has an attorney on
He's also on page.
there. Page 4. Yes. You said, her name was Jackson,
Page 5.
page 5. Michaela Jackson. Okay, that was Mr. Rojas. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is now in session. The court is in session with the announcement docket on today's date of September 11th of 2024. When I call your name, would you please come forward with your attorney? And again, I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. My name is Judge Terrence L. Holmes. Okay. First case is cause number 23CCCR 2412. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Mark Andrew Crocker. Mr. Crocker, would you please come forward with your attorney? For the record, your name is Mark Andrew Crocker.
Yeah,
How you doing, Mr. Crocker?
pretty good. Yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Crocker, you're represented in your case by your attorney Charles Rojas. Attorney Rojas, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
That's good. And state is represented in this case by Attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge, and yourself.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Rojas, this case on the announcement docket, you was required, you gonna set it for a plea?
Yes, sir, we'd like to enter a plea at the court's pleasure.
Okay, so what we're going to do, this case will be reset for plea on September 20th of 2024, which is next Friday. Okay, and Mr. Crocker, your attorney be sent a reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman because they'll be getting recess for this case. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sam, you ready on Sharon Allen Getwood? Page 8.
You doing this by yourself?
Yeah.
I'll look at it.
Ms. Getwood, your full name is Sharon Allen Getwood. How are you doing, Ms. Getwood? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Getwood, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Alden Samuel. Attorney Samuel, how are you doing?
I'm great, sir.
That's good. Now, Mr. Samuel, what is your announcement in Ms. Getwood's case?
This is our first setting. We have no offer from the state. We've received partial discovery.
Okay, so you don't have an offer?
Also,
I'm looking at the case now, Judge.
Okay.
this is our first setting on 2 cases.
Okay. Okay, now, Ms. Getwood,
Yes.
your case will be reset for announcement on October 14th of 2024. Your attorney will be we will be sent a notice. Your attorney and your bondsman, you're free to go. And stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Samuel, I think this is your only case.
Yes, sir.
You're free to go as well.
Thank
Your reset will be sent to you and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Next case is cause number 24 CCCR 0475 Case is style of State of Texas versus Lorenzo Walker. Mr. Walker, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Walker? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Walker, you're represented in this case by your attorney, Attorney Alec Comerford. Mr. Comerford, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. The state is represented in this case by Attorney Haley Simmons. Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
Great, Judge, thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Walker. Mr. Comerford, what is your announcement in Mr. Walker's case?
We're still presently confirmed, state efforts.
Okay, so you're still negotiating?
Mhm.
Let's see. Okay, so it's just it's relatively new case. Um, let me-
Well, I am gonna try and get him on the PTD program, so I'm gonna.
You tried diversion?
Yes.
Okay,
The next date is gonna be in October, Judge.
okay, so I'm going to reset this case to October 21st of 2024 to give your attorney an opportunity to apply for the pretrial diversion program. Okay?
That
So,
works.
Mr. Comerford, that's October 21st at 9 AM. Now, if he gets in the program, well, this is a D, yeah. If he gets in the program in October, because the sign-up date is the first Thursday in October. If he gets in that program, the state will dismiss this case. So you would not have to come to court on the 21st.
Mhm.
Okay, so it's very important that you get that letter in to the DA's office as soon as possible so that they can review it and see if he'll be allowed to get into that program. Okay, so this case will be reset to October 21st, 2024 at 9 AM. Mr. Walker, your attorney will be sent the notice. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Comerford, you're free to go. You have a blessed day and have a safe trip back.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Did you need a large Judge?
Yes, I got it. Miss, let's see, Eureka Anderson? Come forward. Miss Anderson. Your full name is Eureka Cometa Anderson? Did I pronounce your middle name right? Cometa? Okay, okay. How are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Miss Anderson, the court has just been informed that your attorney, Ms. Delage, is not here today. She's sick. And so therefore, your case will be reset. This case, let's see. This case will be reset until next Friday. Yeah, the 20th of September.
Is there any way I can get a different attorney?
Well, we'll discuss that matter when she's here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we can. Okay, so that's September 20th of 2024 at 9 AM. Okay, you stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. They will be given notice. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, so we have let's see. Donna. Oh, yes, Miss Provo.
I don't think he's here.
No, he's not at jail.
Yeah,
either.
Jamie LaBeouf.
He's in jail.
He's where?
In
Oh, he has a
jail.
felony case.
Yeah.
So now what we normally do if he has a felony case, if it gets disposed of, then we'll have to reset it for a date to dispose of the misdemeanor. If it doesn't, yes,
I was going to say, Your Honor, there's a question as to whether this particular defendant is here because there's a note in the felony case that suggests that they might be in federal custody.
oh,
Yes,
well, he has, they say set with felony. Is there any way the felony court, do we know whether or not he was brought over today?
They do check.
No, he's in jail, he's in custody. She's gonna check. Okay, just have a seat, we'll check on it. Yeah, if he's in federal custody, yeah,
I think it's been federal custody.
but you know what they can do, but like if he's next door, sometimes the felony court bench warrant him, and so they go there at first and then they come here. But I don't know if y'all transport him or somebody else transport him.
Somebody else.
We transport, but they would also tell us, but they.
Okay.
Systems.
Okay, well, we'll find out. Let's see. Let me see who's here. Let's see. Kiana Ozan. Oh, she has a felony. Who's Donna Denton? Okay, your attorney is next door. I just saw him earlier, so just wait, that's Mr. Gertz. Sagar Patel,
He's secret.
felony court, okay. Let's see,
Danny Wallace is there.
Wallace. Oh, that's another one of Mr. Gertz. Who is Wallace? Okay. Mr. Gertz has-
We're gonna enter a plea today.
Okay, well, I'll wait for Mr. Gertz to arrive. Carlos,
Felony,
Jose,
also in felony, Your Honor.
is he here?
He's in felony, Your Honor.
Oh, he's in felons, okay.
So.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I don't know if my client's there or not. I apologize. I'm in Hardin County.
Okay, hold on a minute. Macy? Oh, yeah, she's here. Just hold on, okay.
Since
Okay,
I'm
that's
here,
Michaela Leanne Jackson. Would you please come forward? Ms. Jackson, how you doing? Ms. Jackson, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney John Macy. Attorney Macy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor, and I apologize for not being there.
Understand, not a
This
problem.
wasn't on the docket when she was set for today. And so I don't know how long it's gonna take me to be finished here in Hardin County, but I can come there
No, we can
afterwards, or we can get a short reset, because I
Okay,
haven't had
well-
an opportunity to really talk to her
Okay,
about what she wants to do.
okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset it until September 20th of 2020. That's next Friday.
Yes, Judge, that's fine. With me.
Yes. Okay, so Ms. Jackson, your case will be reset September 20th. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Oh my God, court like me. Center Texas on the 20th.
Oh, you do?
I don't know for sure. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's the 20th, either the 20th or maybe if I don't, the 23rd, maybe. I don't know. But I just would tell him or like how.
Well, yeah, we would need to know.
We just add her to one of the announcement dockets next week, Judge.
Or I can just, what I was about to say, I can see and then tell today, like call back today.
The 20th, I can maybe move her up till the 18th.
You Put it on the
I
announcement
got
docket maybe.
CPS court on the 18th.
Yeah, put that on the
Monday is the,
announcement.
This,
What about this following Friday? I mean, the 13th?
no, not this,
No.
let me do this here.
you can keep it the 20th and I'll just try to reset, like if I do have.
No, what I was thinking about, but are you available tomorrow?
Yeah,
And what about you, Mr. Macy?
Um, tomorrow's the Hardin County trial docket.
Okay, well, so you're not available, what,
No,
Announcement, Judge. She's not available next Wednesday or Friday.
that's the 16th?
I believe so.
Yeah, hold on a minute.
It is, Judge.
Okay, so we're gonna reset it for Monday, September 6th. Mr. Macy, are you available?
I'm gonna be in your court already, Judge, as far as I can tell,
like, I have visitation.
on Monday. So, yeah, that's fine with me.
The court on the 18th. Just keep it on the 20th. If it's, an issue, I would get with the other court to change that court. Or to, like, I'll get with my attorney with that.
No, we don't need to change that.
Um,
Well, the week after is gonna be the week of the
Yes.
23rd.
23rd?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, I'm gonna reset it till the 23rd. Well, she said she don't know if it's the 20th or the 23rd.
Well, she's saying she has the court date on the 20th, which would be next Friday, Judge, which
Yeah.
is the original reset.
She says the 20th or the 20th. She don't know which one it is.
We could do the 25th announcement. That would be 2 weeks from today on that Wednesday.
Okay.
That's it.
And
That's
Mr.
suggested.
Macy, what
Tuesday,
about,
so-
is the 25th good for you?
Oh, no, Judge, that's the worst. That's the last,
Okay,
that's my Wednesday Hardin County announcement docket day.
What about-
I've got-
the 27th.
Can we just add her to a Tuesday arraignment? And if there's
No,
a-
I'm talking about the 25th, Judge. The 24th I could do. I
What's the
think.
It could be a
24th?
Tuesday on arraignment day,
Okay.
Judge.
Okay, we'll put on the 24th.
Let's say that. Let me see.
You still looking?
Yeah, as long as I mean, I may be in trial in your court, but other than that,
Oh, well, you'll be here.
yeah, I will be there.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So the
If
24th,
he's gonna be in trial in our court.
Him
he
and
can
I
be
are
on
in
the
trial
20th.
together that week, Judge, so he's gonna be here regardless.
right?
The
Because we have
trial's-
a number one setting on the 23rd.
Does it start on the 23rd?
It's, he's selected. jury
Yes,
on the 23rd.
it's the number one case,
But if
For,
she's in trial on the
Oh, that's right, we'll do it on 24th.
right? So the 24th.
Okay, we'll reset it till the 24th at 9 AM.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, and Ms. Jackson, your attorney's gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
no, my attorney is not here.
Okay, well, yeah, he'll give you your reset.
All right, thank you.
Well, yeah, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Make sure you be here at 9 AM.
Yes, I will. I'll go to more universities.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, you may be excused and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. Same to you.
Okay, the person that's on Zoom, that's, who is that? Oh, that's Keys. Mr. Keys, waiting for your attorney to arrive. Just hold on.
Okay.
See, Paget. Sound like he got some.
Yeah, he's been shipped off.
He's gone.
Okay, so.
So what we gonna do? I mean, if the guy's shipped off, there's no way we're gonna be able to get
I'm
him
probably
back.
gonna dismiss it, Judge.
Okay, we just do a paper dismissal.
You want a paper dismissal?
Yeah, might as well.
I can come down and do it tomorrow when we have court staff and judge.
Okay,
They can just send it to you.
okay, so that's, what's his name?
They dismissed the.
What's his name?
Jamie the ball.
LaBeouf?
Yeah, on page 7.
I can send it in right now, Judge, it's gonna sit in the queue until staff gets here.
That's fine. That's a LaBeouf. LaBeouf. Will get to be dismissed.
You're like on last time.
I don't think we've ever called, he just got resent.
I think he did, he may have been sitting over there, I think he did.
He said, yes, he was in there. custody.
Right, but he must have got, federal time in the other court, so,
I did, huh? And he said he was in their custody.
right,
So he must have just got shipped off.
yeah, they don't tell us what happens with the federal case. So, Miss, Provo, cause number M334132, Jamie LaBeouf. That case is to be dismissed by the district attorney's office.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, I'll sign the dismissal. You're free to go.
I'm here on, Mr. Gilthorpe's case.
Oh. Carlos Jose?
Yes.
I don't know if he knows.
Hold on. Well, his person is in felony court.
Okay, you could. I'm taking up with him.
Mr. Jose, your full name is Carlos Jose?
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Good. Representing your case by attorney, well, Jared Gilthorpe, but Jared Gilthorpe is not here. Standing in for Mr. Gilthorpe is attorney Dustin Galmore. Does Mr. Galmore have your permission to stand in for attorney Gilthorpe?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
Great, Judge, how are you today?
I'm doing fine. What is your announcement?
Judge, he's been approved for pre-trial diversion. So we're just asking the court to reset that case until after the signing date, which should be.
Okay. We're gonna reset it till October 21st. Your reset will be sent to you, will be sent to Mr. Gilthorpe. So, Mr. Jose, the first signing day is, but the signing day is usually the first Thursday in October. Is it be that? Okay. So normally what happens is you go up to the DA's office, you do the signing. Once the signing is done, within about a day, the state is going to dismiss the case. If the state dismisses the case, that means you will not have to be here for October 21st.
But if they don't, you will.
Yeah, if they don't, if you haven't signed up, then you have to be here for the 21st.
Okay, Judge, thank you. We're headed to the felony court as well.
Okay, you free to go?
Thank you. Thank you.
DA, that 23 years ago, I was down here and I didn't find out that we will have all the tragedy that we did till I got back to the Goodhue building
I didn't realize it was 9/11, Judge.
Oh,
and found out that we
Yeah.
had all sorts of trouble.
yeah,
Now, you appointed, I had two people on the docket.
I think one of yours is in felony court. Is
yeah.
that correct?
Well,
One of them is,
yeah, the what?
and she's down and waiting on Stevens to decide.
Both of them
what
in
he's
felony.
going
Well,
to do.
no, Ozan is felony. You only had one case.
Let me go see if she's. in
One
here.
client, two cases.
Can you just text?
Yeah, no, Ozan.
Ozan is, she's down there waiting
Did you
to
see
go
her?
in to see
Did you see her?
Stevens.
He,
Did
So
you
I
see-
just saw her down the hall.
he said, yeah. But we'll wait for it.
And the other one was.
You don't have another.
The other one was a guy named Nolan White. And Rafe Kimler filed a motion and you signed it
Oh, so that's Kimler's case.
to him, for him to be appointed. For
I don't
him
see
to
that on the
handle it.
docket.
It might be on a separate day. Let me check.
Nolan White.
I think it's the one that's sitting in the corner.
Baldy.
I'm not gonna.
Then
say
you give a
anything.
nickname.
Yeah, nicknames, they're all friends.
Come on, come on. Let's see, who's here for Mr. Paget? Who's here for Mr. Paget? Okay, would you come forward?
He's saying.
Hold on. What's your, full name?
David Paul Liskey,
Liskey.
the second.
How are you doing, Mr. Liskey?
I'm all right.
That's good. Mr. Liskey, your attorney, Mr. Paget, not here today. Was it an emergency?
Family matter, he's laying in bed covered up, Judge.
Oh, hold on a minute. Hey, Mr. Keys?
Yes.
Oh, Miss Keys, you need to sit up. You're in court. Okay? And you're not, and the next time you need to be here in person.
Okay.
All right, just hold on. Okay, Mr. Liskey. David Paul Liskey is your name. It's I understand. No, Mr. Paget was,
He had a family matter to attend to, Judge.
it's
so
a
he was
family
not able to
emergency?
be-
Okay.
make it.
So he's not gonna be here. He had a family emergency. So your case will be reset. We're gonna reset it to September 20th, 2024.
Copy that.
Stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go.
Sure, thank you. Have a good.
All right, same to you. Darwin Nunez Perez. You also represented by Mr. Paget. Yes. Your case will be reset September 24th. You free to go? Stay in contact with your attorney and your boss. Juan Pablo Patino Marino. You're also represented by Mr. Paget, who is emergency.
Yes.
Your case is reset September 2024. You're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your boss.
Thank you.
Okay. And Miss Charisma Keys.
Yes.
Okay, you also represented by your attorney, James Paget. He had an emergency. He's not here. Your case has been reset to September 2024. You need to be here in person. And you
Okay.
stay in contact with your attorney. You're free to go. Brian Davila. Okay, Mr. Davila, you also represented by attorney James Paget. Your attorney is not here. He had a family emergency. Your case has been reset to September 20th, 2024. And you're free to go. You're welcome. Court will be in recess. Okay, go back in session. The court is in session. With Donna Kate Denton. Ms. Denton, you can come forward. Ms. Denton, your full name is Donna K. Denton. How you doing, Ms. Denton? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Denton, you're represented by Attorney Ryan Gertz. Attorney Gertz, how are you doing?
Great, Judge, thank you.
Mr. Gertz, what is your announcement in Ms. Denton's case?
Judge, could we get maybe a 6-week reset to review discovery in this case?
Okay,
I don't believe we've been here a lot on this one, so.
this case will be reset until October 23rd of 2024. That's for your announcement.
Yes,
It will be sent to you. And Ms. Denton, stay in contact with your attorney. It will be given a notice of your date, which is October 23rd at 9 a.m. Your bonds will also to get that setting as well. You're free to go. You have a blessed day. You're welcome. Daniel Wallace. Okay, this is Daniel Paul Wallace. So Wallace, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Wallace, represented by Ryan Kurtz. Mr. Kurtz, what's your announcement?
Judge, we are asking to put this case on trial docket, please.
Trial. Case is reset for trial October 28th, 2024. Mr. Kurtz, the reset will be sent to you.
Thank
Mr. Wallace, your attorney and your bond will give notice to reset. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day.
What trial date did you say, Judge?
October 28th.
Thank you.
God.
Yes, 9 a.m. Thank you. Hold on a minute. Let's see, Patel is in felony court, is that correct?
That's correct, and he's present, Judge. He's just down the hall.
Okay, does he know to come back here?
Can have him come back here.
Yeah, you need to have him to come
He
back
checked
here.
in to start too.
Right. And let's see.
There's one other one that has felony something.
You see, that was Kirkpatrick, he's in
Okay, yeah,
custody.
he's in custody. I'm gonna tell him to come check in.
Guards is right.
No,
Ma'am?
Ray gets out in the hallway.
Okay,
Yeah, right. Okay.
Minaldi's in the hallway.
okay, now, on Patel,
Yes, Judge,
if this, do you represent him on the felony case?
I do.
Okay, so you,
This case is dependent on the felony. Whatever happens with the felony is gonna dictate. that.
okay, you need to let us know,
Yes, Judge.
so we'll be here, so you just come back and let us.
I think probably just gonna put that on the trial docket, but
Okay.
I've been stalling down there. I know you never know me to do that, but. Yeah, right. So I just texted you. So-
Okay,
I
Bernard.
think this is funny.
Paul Bernard, that's Mr. Kimler.
We're dismissing the felony.
No, this one, as my understanding, should have been dismissed because condition of the plea on the felony, so he's already pled the felony involving the same alleged.
Okay,
So, and the felony prosecutor was Jimmy Hound. I went to, my last notes on the case, I went to confirm that deal, and he says that he does not recall making.
It's not on the paperwork.
is it on the felony paperwork?
I believe that I checked that last time, but I'll look again.
If it's not, we'll just set it for trial. Cause it's the same, it's the
Same criminal episode?
It is same.
One of them is,
Same complaining witness, and then the resisting case is out of the same events.
oh, both of them was tied, both cases was tied to the two felony cases.
So,
Let's take bigger fees. Fewer cases. Bigger fees.
Let's set it for trial.
Oh, okay. I see what the issue was. He had noted that he was going to dismiss the resisting, which was the same open state 1565, but he didn't know that he would dismiss the assault, so that's what I wanted to ask him about.
So you're gonna reset, I mean, you're gonna dismiss the. resisting? I mean, if it's gonna be dismissed, we don't need it.
The assault's not. So when they said
I mean, if one of them is gonna
No,
be dismissed,
given
it
the
don't
fact
make
that
no
they're the
sense
same
to keep
complaint
it on
about
the
this, do you
docket.
recall what he got on the felony?
Would you go, tell me how many years probation? Yeah, it's stable.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
For the chance to get early discharge.
Okay.
And that was a plea?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll dismiss that too then for,
So you're gonna, okay, just go ahead and send it to me.
That's good.
Yeah, he's gonna do it right now if you need it. Well, I'll sign the dismissal today.
Just have a seat.
Well, he's free to go.
You can go.
Okay, Jefferson County Court. The law is back in session. Mr. Patel, you can come forward.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. This is cause number M 328-050. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Sagar Patel. Mr. Patel, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Patel?
Pretty good, sir. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Patel, you're representing your case by your attorney, Brian Gertz. Mr. Gertz, what's your announcement?
Just we're asking this case be reset with the felony, which is, was reset this morning to January the 13th.
Okay, let me,
25.
now the felony case, this case is pretty old. What, does this case arise out of the same criminal episode or is different?
I believe so,
I'm
Judge.
double checking right now, Judge.
It's different.
It
What's
is different, Judge.
Okay. My client's telling me it's different then.
Yeah,
That's
so we're not
correct.
gonna keep this case with the felony case.
Okay. What would you
So-
like me to do?
Well, I mean, you can set it for trial. We're gonna put it on a trial docket or
Sure.
other than that, it's been on the announcement docket for a while, so.
We can put it on the trial, that's fine.
Is that offer tied into this?
Not yet. I'm just double checking. It's Andrew's case, but I might want to get with him and double check.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay, let me do this. I'm going to reset this case. The trial. October
And the candidate in your
28th,
docket.
2024. Mr. Patel, your attorney will be giving notice of your reset. Your attorney and your bondsman will be giving notice of your reset. You're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. The case is set at 9 AM on October 28th, 2024 for trial.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
That's okay. I do not, but they have different open states in the.
Okay, Miss. Let's see, yes. Miss Valencia Giller. Okay, Miss Guillory. Now, Miss Guillory, your full name is Valencia Guillory, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Your attorney is attorney. We had Mr. Gertz in here. We probably could have asked him about Ben Jeffries.
I did.
What did he say?
No one have seen him. I was
Oh.
working with them.
Okay, Miss Guillory, your attorney is now you said that you had a felony case, is that correct?
Yeah, they reset it.
And that felony case is reset to when?
September 30th.
Okay, we'll reset this case on the same date as September 30th. With the felony case on that day, you need to come here first, check in. Then go down there, take care of the case, and then come back here. All right, your attorney and your bondsman will be given notice to reset. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Kiana Ozan,
So
y'all can come forward.
this is basically. This is like the facts are intoxicated. It's 99 years old that we got them.
Miss Ozan, your full name is Kiana Ozan.
I have the.
And Miss Ozan, how are you doing? And Miss Ozan, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Don Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Just fine, sir.
And Ms. Ozan, who do you have here with you today? Do you have it with you? Okay, how you doing, ma'am? That's good. Now, Ms. Ozan, I have before me two motions to dismiss your cases. I have already, and state, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And Ms. Ozan, I'm signing these dismissals. Your cases are dismissed. Congratulations. Now, Ms. Ozan, I noticed that, well, you have your attorney, Mr. Boudreau. Mr. Boudreau is responsible for having these cases dismissed on your behalf. And your mom, she has been coming here with you, I think every court date, is that correct? Okay. Now, Ms. Ozan, I usually tell young people, I usually give a little statement that I usually make. And the reason why is because a lot of times young people need to at least get some advice from older people. Now, Ms. Ozan, I know that you're young. You probably have some friends. You have some friends? Yes. I mean, the way you look around, you must have a whole bunch of friends. Okay. Now, Ms. Ozan, you're you have a whole bunch of friends, I would imagine. But anyway, a lot of times, people say that, especially particularly young people, they say, well, this is my friend. They'll stick with me through thick and thin. This is my ride or die. Whatever I go through or my ups and downs, I can always depend on them because they are my rock. Okay. But on days like today and days when people come to court, it's not unusual for when I look out at the defendant, I don't see that ride or die. I don't see that person that you consider your ride or die, that rock, or that friend who will stick with you through thick and thin. Oftentimes, I see individuals who are known as parents. Some people call them mom, some people call them dad. And oftentimes we also have grandparents or some extended family members. And the reason why I say that is because I see that your mom has been coming with you here every day that you had court. Okay. She was there at the time that you were born. Okay. And she's still here. Okay. So, Ms. Ozan, I don't think you're a young woman, but you're not a child. Okay. And the reason why I brought that up is because that rock, that ride or die, or that friend, she's standing right next to you. You don't have to look outside of the home. You don't have to look in the neighborhood, the community. God has already blessed you with your ride or die and with your rock. Okay? And I'm sure just like you, just like me, when we were young, and when I was young, your age, or younger, probably didn't listen to everything that my mom or my dad said. But I could assure you that whatever she told you, it was designed to help you and not hurt you. Okay? So where you are at age-wise and in your experiences in life, she has already been there, Mr. Boudreau has already been there, and I have already been there. At our age, we're looking through the rearview mirror. And we see you, or people like you, young people like you. And we're telling them, we're giving them advice so they won't have to go through the same hardships, pitfalls, up and downs that we went through. Okay. So my point is, she's telling you what to do. Everybody, listen to this here. Everybody's not your friend. Everybody's not your partner. But when this lady says she got you, she got you. Like like we used to say in our day, you can take that to the bank. Okay. So you're blessed to have somebody like her. And you ought to be grateful and thank God for a mother who is there by your side. Okay. And so, Ms. Ozan and ma'am, thanks for being here with your daughter. And I always tell people this, hang on and don't hang up. All right. Just continue to hang in there with her. What happened here today will not ruin her life. It's only a setback. But a setback is a setup for a major comeback. And you coming back. And guess what? You're coming back stronger. Okay? And you got to believe that and just be patient. Just like this process took a while, you was patient and you got the results better than you thought was possible. And you can thank Mr. Boudreaux for that. Okay, so you excuse, Mr. Boudreaux will be given notice of your, your case is dismissed, so you're free to go and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Y'all have a blessed day. You're welcome. All right, and you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Boudreaux.
I'll be good.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. Judge, you know, Frankie Beverly just died.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session. In cause number 23 CCCR 1778. Case of style state of Texas versus Michael Jr. Michael Jr. was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Michael Jr.'s name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Michael Jr. did not answer. Michael Jr. has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:23 a.m. on today's date of September 11th of 2024. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Michael Jr. at the courthouse door?
Michael Jr. Michael Jr. No response, Your Honor.
Michael Jr.'s name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. There has not been an answer. Hold on a minute.
Oh, no word. Never know.
Okay, there has not been an answer. State, do you have a motion? That motion will be granted. Michael Jr. is bound to be forfeited and warrant should be issued for his arrest in cause number 23 CCCR 1778. And this will conclude the calling of the court's announcement docket on the day's date of 9/11/2024 in Jefferson County. Well, in County Court at Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. We are still playing and still have memories for those individuals who were affected by 9/11 in 2001. At this time, a court session is closed. Everyone, please have a blessed day.
Thank you.